Are you excited about the new i700 wireless? Then let's unbox it together. The new i700 wireless comes in two packages, the main package and the accessory package. Shall we start with the main package? In the first box is the wireless hub that uses the next generation wireless communication technology. Next, we have the practice model, USB flash drive, and a wrist strap all in the same box. In the next box, you can find not one, but 3 rechargeable batteries for the scanner. There are also 4 scanner tips. The main package includes a handle that can be attached to the handpiece for a more comfortable grip, 1 battery charger, and of course the scanner handpiece itself. It is extremely light. Now let's see what's in the accessory package. The first box includes a USB 3.0 cable, a power delivery cable, and an extension cable battery. Did you know that the extension cable battery can be used while your batteries are charging? In this package, you can also find 2 power cords, 1 calibration tool, a desktop cradle, and a wall mount holder. And finally, 2 adapters. But wait, that's not all. In addition to those basic components, 4 additional accessories can be purchased separately. The auto calibration tool, handle fit cradle for convenient mounting of the scanner with a handle on, monitor mount for convenient placement of the hub when the workspace is limited, and the 3-meter power delivery cable. Here it is, comfortable to use i700 wireless and its accessories that make your scanning experience even better. Oh, I can't wait to try it out. This has been a brief introduction to our new scanner and all its accessories.